UMIDIGI G9C Android 14 Unlock Cell Phone. Octa-core 12GB 128GB expand 1TB unlock smartphone. 6.75 HD plus 90Hz. 5000 mAh battery. 50MP camera. GPS. BT 5.4. NFC. AI face unlock. Warranty. Brand UMIDIGI. Operating system Android. Memory storage capacity 128GB. Screen size 6.75 inches. Model name G9C. Wireless carrier unlock for all carriers. Cellular technology for G. Color black. Wireless network technology Wi-Fi, CDMA, ELT. Connector type USB Type-C. Android for teen experience. Unlock the power of the latest Android operating system with cutting-edge privacy and security features. Personalized settings and seamless app performance on the UMIDIGI G9C. Impressive performance with 12GB RAM, 8GB physical plus 4GB virtual, 128GB storage expandable up to 1TB, and the octa-core MediaTek Helio G36 processor. This smartphone delivers blazing fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and multimedia consumption. Immersive display and long-lasting battery. Enjoy a captivating viewing experience with the 6.75 HD Plus display featuring a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, complemented by a massive 5000 mAh battery that ensures all-day usage. Advanced camera system. Capture stunning photos and videos with the 50MP plus 2MP. Dual rear camera and 8MP front camera. Enhanced by AI technology and autofocus for clear shots in any environment, including low light conditions. Dual SIM, fingerprint, and connectivity. Stay connected with Dual for G SIM support. Enjoy secure fingerprint and face unlock. And take advantage of convenient features like the 3.5mm headphone jack and FM radio.